If you saw the previous tutorial, you know that this one here is the first juju hat I made. Now I've made a second piece with a few remaining feathers I had from the first one. This time I decided to fill the middle with this circle mirror that I had. 2 and a bit yards of feathers that I had left. This is just another piece of cardboard that I spray painted black on the back side of it. It's also around 11 inches across. And I used a compass. I don't know where I put the compass. I used the compass to make the circle and then cut it out. And I have this mirror was, I think, 5 inches. Yeah, I had a 5-inch round mirror from Amazon, of course. I think it's a company called Derice, one of them, I don't know. And it came in a separate little package. It was a little bit difficult getting the mirror on here because of all the different heights of the feathers that I had stuck down there. You know, if I do this again, I'll think that out a little bit more carefully. So I just put another smaller circular cardboard piece underneath here. I glued it to the base of this to give it a little bit more height. And then I glued the mirror on. And it was a little bit off-centered. It's kind of like this way a little bit. So then I took some of my same rope, my sisal rope, and I carefully spray painted it black. It took a long time because every time you think you have it all covered, you find another piece that you could still see the beige rope throughout it. So I just spray painted it black with some regular black gloss spray paint that I found. And I didn't do a continuous wrap. I actually wrapped it around and cut it and then trimmed it as much as I could so that the edges would join. Where does this one join? Oh, maybe right here, I'm not sure. This one joins, the middle one right there, and this one joins here. So I hot glued them on and hot glued them together to give it kind of camouflage. And there's a lot of white from the hot glue left. That's all the glue I had at the moment. So I just used some black acrylic paint and painted on top of the glue. So I then put leftover string on the back. So I quite like these. I think they're very beautiful and they make a simple, stunning effect. So I'm going to clean this mirror off and I have to decide. I might order some more some more feathers in a different color, and maybe another black because I think my sister would like one for her nail salon. So I might do one for that. Well, I ended up actually giving this to my sister and she's provided me with a picture showing it hanging up in her nail salon. So I'm very happy that she's happy and she's putting it on display. I have also created this white feather mirror piece. So make sure you go have a look at that tutorial too. Thanks for watching. See you soon. And don't forget to subscribe.